Grocery cash sales bank account. Record following cash sales transaction in the books of Rainbow Trade House India Private Limited. Transaction details. Company sold 1 unit of brand B 32-inch smart TV at rupees 26,500 dated on 22nd April 2023 to Mr. Sanjay Kumar against debit card payment. Payment details: card number, bank name, branch. Here in this transaction, we can see payment has been done instantly using debit card. Hence, it is an example of cash sales. Let's record a cash sales transaction using sales voucher in Tally Prime. To access sales voucher, we should navigate to Vouchers under Transactions from Gateway of Tally. Press F8 for sales voucher. Press Ctrl H to change mode. Select Item Invoice Format. Sales number, that is sales invoice number. Press F2 to change date, 22nd of April 2023. Under party account name, as it is an example of cash sales, payment has been received via debit card. Hence, ledger should be selected as HDFC Bank account. Enter. Dispatch details information not available. Accept as default. Under party details, we need to update details of the buyer. Buyer ledger is not available under list of ledger accounts. Hence, we can choose option Create to create ledger master in books of accounts. Or to update manually, we can choose option New Party. Select option New Party. Party name Mr. Sanjay Kumar. Address. State Maharashtra. Here we can also access F12 configure option to configure information such as provide separate buyer and consignee details, provide mailing name, provide PIN code. PIN code details. Enter and accept. Sales ledger as sales accounts. Ledger is already available in books of accounts. Enter to accept. Press spacebar to view list of stock items available in books of accounts. Stock item as brand B 32-inch smart TV. Select stock item. Enter. Under item allocations details, press spacebar to see the list of godowns. Here we can see stock is available at Andheri Godown and Bhivandi Godown. As information related to godowns not available, we can choose any of the godowns. For example, Andheri. Quantity 1. Rate 26,500. Total amount 26,500. Enter. As payment has been settled via debit card, hence under bank allocation screen, we need to update transaction details. Press spacebar to view transaction type. Select option Show More. Select option Card. Instrument number, that is card number. Enter card number. Date 22nd of April 2023. Bank name Citibank, branch Andheri. Enter. Received from Mr. Sanjay Kumar. Enter and accept. Narration. Being cash sales recorded. Enter and accept. Similarly, we have to record one more cash sales transaction. Cash sales, cash ledger. Transaction details. A cash invoice raised to Mr. Manthan for supply of material against full cash payment as below. Brand A 21-inch LED TV, one number at Rs 18,000 from Andheri Godown. Sales voucher. Enter. Under party account name, as it is a cash transaction, payment has been made in cash. Hence, we will select ledger cash in hand under party account name. Dispatch details not available. Accept as default. Under party details, update details of buyer. Select option New Party. Mr. Manthan. Address Thane. State Maharashtra. Pin code. Sales ledger as sales accounts. Name of item. Press spacebar to view list of stock items. Brand A 21-inch LED TV. Select stock item from list. Under item allocations, press spacebar to view list of godowns. Select Andheri Godown. Quantity 1. Rate as 18,000. Total amount 18,000. As amount has been received in cash, hence Tally will not ask for bill-wise or bank allocations details. Enter. Enter narration. Being cash sales recorded. This way, in Tally Prime, we can record cash sales voucher using sales vouchers item invoice format. Inventory credit sales. Record following credit sales transaction in the books of Rainbow Trade House India Private Limited. Transaction details. Company made supply of following materials to Ajinkya Enterprises, Mumbai, dated on 18th of April 2023 on 10 days credit period. First stock item, Brand A 21 inches LED TV, 5 numbers at Rs 20,500 each from Andheri Godown. Second stock item, Brand B 41 inches LED TV, 7 numbers at Rs 26,500 each from Bandra Godown. This is an example of credit sales transaction where credit issued to buyer as 10 days. Let's see how to record a credit sales transaction in books of accounts. To access sales voucher in Tally, navigate to vouchers under transactions from Gateway of Tally. Press F8 for sales. Here, F8 sales button is not highlighted on button panel. It means we are already accessing sales voucher. Press F2 to change date. 18th of April 2023. Sales invoice number as default. Party account name, as it is a credit sales transaction, hence party name needs to be created. Select option Create under the list of ledger accounts. Party name, Ajinkya Enterprises. Grouped under sundry debtors. Maintain balances bill by bill. Yes. Default credit period. Information not available. Other information. Mailing details. Banking details. Tax registration details are not available. Accept as default. Dispatch details of inventory not available. Accept as default. Under party details, we need to update details of the buyer, that is bill to. Information will be auto-updated based on masters created in books of accounts. Here, we can also access F12 configure to configure information such as provide separate buyer and consignee details, provide mailing name, provide PIN code. Enter. Here, we can see separate details of the buyer, bill to, consignee, ship to. Accept as default. Under Sales Ledger, select Sales Accounts. Under Name of Item, press spacebar to display list of stock items. First stock item as Brand A 21-inch LED TV. Select stock item from the list of stock items. Brand A 21-inch LED TV. Item allocations details. Press spacebar to select Go Down. Andheri Godown. Quantity 5. Rate 20,500 each. Total amount 1,02,500. Next stock item. Press spacebar. Brand B 41-inch LED TV. Select stock item from the list of stock items. Item allocations for stock. Press spacebar. Select Go Down, Bandra. Quantity 7. Rate 26,500. Total amount 1,85,500. Enter. Under Billwise details for Ajinkya Enterprises, as it is a fresh sales invoice, hence type of reference should be selected as New Reference. Bill name, due date or credit days, 10 days. Enter. Update narration. Being material supplied on credit. Enter to accept. Inventory credit sales with delivery charges. Similarly, we need to record one more credit sales transaction. Transaction details. Company supplied following materials to Jadhav Traders, Nashik, dated on 20th April 2023 on 15 days credit period. Materials are Brand B 32-inch Smart TV, 5 numbers at 28,500 each from Andheri Godown. Brand B 32 inches LED TV, 5 numbers at 30,000 each from Bandra Godown. Packing and delivery charges Rs 3,500. Press F2 to change date. 20th April 2023. Party account name as Jadhav Traders. Select option Create under list of ledger accounts. Grouped under sundry debtors. Maintain balances bill by bill, yes. Default credit period not available. Other information such as mailing details, banking details, and tax registration details accept as default. Dispatch details of inventories not available accept as default. Under party details, bill to and ship to details to be entered. Bill to and ship to details will be auto-filled based on masters created in books of accounts. Accept as default. Sales ledger as sales accounts. Press spacebar to view list of stock items. Stock item as Brand B 32-inch Smart TV. Select stock item from the list of stock items. Under item allocations, press spacebar. For go down Andheri, quantity 5, rate 28,500, total amount 1,42,500. Next stock item, press spacebar. Brand B 32-inch LED TV. Select stock item from the list of stock items. Press spacebar for go down. Select Bandra as go down. Quantity 5. Rate 30,000. Total amount 1,50,000. Packing and delivery charges 3,500. Press spacebar. Select ledger as delivery charges. Here, under list of ledger accounts, we can see delivery charges ledger is available. As per information, it should be packing and delivery charges. So, we can select option create under list of ledger accounts. Type name as packing and delivery charges. Packing and delivery charges to be grouped as per chart of accounts of business. It can be indirect expense or indirect income, as this is applicable on supply of material, that is sales transaction. Hence, it can be configured as indirect income. Enter to accept. Amount as 3,500. Enter. Type of reference, new reference. Bill name, due date or credit days, 15 days. Total amount 2,96,000. Narration: being material supplied on credit. Enter to accept. In this way, in Tally Prime, we can record credit sales transaction using sales vouchers item allocations mode.